airport. Like, they seriously gave us the car all the way at the end. Our luggages are so heavy. But man, it's sterilizing the car for me. But yeah, we got this nice Toyota Tacoma. We're moving into our apartment, so wanted something with a little bit more space. We could haul stuff around, so this is it. Now the keys are in here somewhere. This is so scary, honestly. Like, I have not driven in so long. I'm so gonna mess up the direction on the roads. Second day in San Francisco now, and it is a classic day, classic foggy San Francisco day. Pretty cold. We were getting our apartment set up yesterday, so I totally forgot about, you know, grabbing the GoPro and recording everything. So, you know, I think actually once I get the apartment set up a little bit, we'll show you around and, you know, show you what we've done with it. But yeah, as of now it's just unfurnished. Yesterday we spent like the whole day going out just buying little things. We didn't have a mattress, so we went to a couple different stores and ended up just going with Costco mattress. Wow, look at that, that's so cool. So anyway, that's where we're headed to right now, is Ikea, and we're gonna go look for some more furniture and get the apartment set up. Wow, look to the right as well. This is so cool. Wow, we should live up there.
Looks haunted.
I'm so used to like people at the door taking your temperature before you go in, but here it's just nothing. First goal is to find a sofa. I don't know if I like the color. Do I like the color on this?
I feel like our wood is pretty light too. I don't know if you want something that goes right with it.
Wait, this is a $2,000 sofa.
Maybe put leather?
This is too much. $2,000 for a chair? That's too much. Well, let's go find those. Oh, actually, you know, for these modular ones, they have one in black too.
But it's not comfy at all.
It's not bad. I'll give it a second chance. All right.
Okay. Next we go to aisle 30. How convenient, they're all boxed up for us.
So that IKEA trip was like super stressful. We were probably there for like 5 hours trying to figure out what furniture to get, what's gonna fit, how much it's gonna cost, right? Anyway, loaded it all into the truck. It barely fit, and now we've kind of just slowly started putting things together. I don't think we're gonna get to all of it today because we're actually flying back to Utah again. But we'll be back here next week. So anyway, this is what we got so far. Right here we got this table, kind of like a, you know, foldable, so it doesn't take up too much space. Like, I wanted something that, you know, the apartment's not that big, so it's kind of nice like having this table that can like fold down. So this was kind of cool. Got a TV stand here for a TV whenever we get it. We got those what do they call it, the solder ham. So anyway, these two sofas. Apparently there's like some shortage of everything going around. Like they have like no drivers for logistics, and then someone said they have like a lumber shortage, so like everything's just in short supply. But anyway, so this was like the only 2 couches that they had in stock for this. Yeah, like we've got like the last 2, and then they only had like a black color cover for this sofa, which I didn't really like as much, but we got it was only like $58. And then like if we don't like the color later on, we can probably go switch it when they have more in stock. So anyway, yeah, this is our living room. Just you know, full view here. Living room, and then the kitchen is here. Brand new appliances. We're the first tenants to live in here after they remodeled it. And yeah, I do apologize, everything's like super messy and unorganized right now just because, you know, I can't figure out where to put anything. I went to Target, bought some floor mat here, shower curtains. The bathroom's pretty nice, has like this really bright skylight. Like we're always like walking out of the bathroom and we're like, oh, I forgot to turn off the light, but it's actually just the skylight. All right, quick update with the furniture. Got 2 couches put together. Got the table finished. It's pretty nice. It got some drawers. Anyway, that's about it. We got to pack up now. Got our suitcases packed. About to load up the truck again, and then we're gonna head back to Utah.